Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's actually my brother's 16th birthday and we decided that we're gonna go on a family trip to celebrate, and we actually just got into our Airbnb and I just want to show you guys around because it's really pretty. So let's go!
상처가 더 나니까 넌 사랑했고 사랑받았으니 난 이걸로 됐어 나 살아가면서 가끔씩 떠오를 기억 그 안에 네가 있다면 그거면 충분해 사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면 됐다 널 사랑했다.
So that was the Airbnb tour, and so this is an entire apartment and it's actually really nice. It looks like it's recently renovated. It's already like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So today's not gonna be that long, and I don't know if we're gonna go to the beach yet today, but if we are, I'll probably vlog it. But I need to charge my phone, and I also need to turn in a logic essay that I have to do. So, bye. So we're actually going to the beach today. I tried my best to find a full body mirror and I couldn't really find one. I just have the one in front of me, which is not really full body, it's kind of half body, and it's upper half, so yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to do an outfit shot, but I'm gonna be taking pictures to post on my Instagram anyway. So if I do end up taking pictures, I'll probably put them in right after this clip. But we're gonna go and I'm very excited, so I'll see you guys when we get at the beach.
따스했던 봄으로 너를 기억할게 우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼지고 마지막 페이지를 넘기면 조용히 먹을 내리죠 우린 아파트의 반도
I should have asked for my sunglasses.
So the beach is really packed. I just realized I'm not wearing sunglasses and I have them. But the beach is super packed. Ah! So I'm probably gonna be taking selfies and stuff just because I got a new bikini and it's really cute, so I'm excited. But other than that, right now there's not much. I'll probably vlog again once something interesting happens. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So it's actually day 2 and I have not vlogged at all, and it's 7 p.m. I got super tan, like very tan today. We spent the whole day at the beach and my friends are here. Well, my friend and my boyfriend. Jaden, say hi. Hello. And my boyfriend's over there. He's watching his feet. But so yeah, and then I'm probably gonna vlog when we go to the boardwalk because I'm not in the water then and I can use my phone. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi everyone! There's a motorcycle and it's really loud. I'm trying to record. Are you done?
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, so We just got done at the beach and Jalen unfortunately has to go home. So we're walking her to her car. We're walking to her car. And we're gonna go walk down the boardwalk. We also have to stop by JMO's car because he needs to get his mask.
Oh, you're gonna stop by his car?
Yeah.
I'm really good at making the joke.
Anyway, so yeah, we're walking down right now and it's starting to get dark, which is scary because I'm a baby.
You are a baby.
I am baby.
Not baby, a baby.
They're the same thing.
You're just a toddler.
I just have ice cream that I have to eat through my mask. But yeah. So I'll probably not record this whole thing. Or maybe I will. What pizza?
You want to go to the cheesy?
We literally passed pizza and then I left it at their house.
Oh my god!
You know what? You can take it.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Family will just cry.
Like it's that big of a deal. They honestly didn't even know what they missed.
No, I'll tell them. I'll let them know in the next
Yeah.
Yes. Bye. Say bye.
Damn. Dang, did you get real?
I thought you were in the other lot. We're lost.
Have we not gone to the other one?
No. We met you at this like thing.
Beeping.
Okay, I'm gonna make this into a time lapse of us walking because it's probably gonna take a while.
불안한 바라보면 그런 것도 좋은데 전화가 더 가깝게 영화 감상은 색다르게 그네 음료와 얼음은 적당하게 우와 탄사와 노래 뭘 따라 Paris.
Hey guys, so right now we just dropped off Jalen. We got JMO's mask, so we're being safe as everyone should be safe. So we're gonna go to the boardwalk and hopefully it's less crowded since it's like 8 p.m. or it's almost 9 p.m. I'm pretty sure. But we're gonna go to the boardwalk and hope it's less crowded, and if it is crowded we'll hang out somewhere that's not crowded. But I also ate my ice cream because I dropped it. I like dropped my ice cream and it broke, so I had to eat it. I'm so sad. I ate it super fast because it was also super melted, which sucks.
구름 침대 상상할수록 마음이 편해져 baby 빨리 나와 못 참아 설레는 기분 말야 기어나면 눈치 보지 않고 쉴 수 있어 그동안 쌓인 모든 것들 창문 밖에 던져
You guys can't see my eyes. Annyeong. There you go. It's ugly though. Woo! Oops. Okay, so we're about to go on the boardwalk now. But the beach is so pretty.
멀리 떠나자고 올라타 비행기 너와 단둘이서 타는 비행기 멀리 멀리 어디든 가요.
If you guys can't tell, I really like shooting like hand-holding videos. I think they're really cute. Also, this is like, that's the building that I said was really pretty. And both my boyfriend and my best friend were just like, no, it's not pretty at all. And I was just like, okay.
The castle?
No, that one.
I said that was the best looking one, but it didn't look great.
It's so pretty and they're so dumb.
Girl, we show you Neverland. 난 너의 Peter Pan, 나의 손 놓지 마, babe. 아무도 본 적이 없는 걸 너만 보이게 모든 걸 다 내게 줄게.
Hey guys, so our day's kind of coming to an end. It's nighttime and like the sun's completely gone. We walked down the
Boardwalk.
Yeah, we walked down the boardwalk, but honestly there wasn't much to like record or really do. Which is fine. It was a nice walk and then we walked on this beach and stuff. But I think everything's coming to an end and I'll probably record like my night. But Gemma's gonna go soon, so Bye guys.
See ya.
너와는 어디까지 야이야 Baby You are just
Hey guys. So we actually just finished walking J-Mo to his car, Maria, me, my brothers and I. But YouTube has a thing against showing minors, so I'm not gonna show their faces. But basically we just walked J-Mo to his car. I am on my way back to the Airbnb. And I'll probably record my outro there. Hey guys! My phone's set up on a dresser, which is why I was like bent over doing my intro. But yeah, I am back in my Airbnb, which is why I'm not wearing the mask and I'm not wearing the hat. I just walked J-Mo to his car and he's heading home because he's not staying with us. But yeah, overall today was a really fun day. I think I'm going to combine day 1 and day 2 into one vlog just because I didn't really get that much content. Maybe a vlog. You'll figure out when this video is posted. So yeah, I'll be editing it soon and I'll probably be uploading it soon. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed. It was a really fun day. And got really tan. Like, I don't know if you can tell. I think it's really pretty, honestly, which is really weird considering I'm Filipino, and for us it's just like the paler you are, the prettier you are, but I like my tan, honestly. I think it's cute. I'll probably get more content tomorrow, but as for day 2, this was all the content. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell button if you want to see more of me, because I don't vlog often, but you'll be notified if I do vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye! Mwah.